and 2.2 in the sets of the 10th class. Now we are learning 2.3. So which of the following sets are equal? Equal sets. Same elements in both sets is called the equal sets. Same elements. Now set A, x such that x is a letter in the word follow. A set the roster for follow. F O L W. Any two letters you will write one letter. F O L W. Next set B. X says that X is a letter in the word flow. Set B roster for flow. F L O W. Set C. X says that X is a letter in the word wolf. C W O L F F O L W A B C. Same elements in three sets. So A is equal to B is equal to C. They are equal sets. Next, Roman 2. Consider the following sets and fill up the blank in the statement given below with is equal to or not is equal to so as to make the statement true. The sets are A 1, 2, 3. B the first three natural numbers. What are the first three natural numbers? 1, 2, 3. C A B C D. D D C A B. E A E I O U. F set of the vowels in English. Vowels in English. A E I O U. There are the vowels in English. O, which are equal sets and non-equal sets. First, you should look at A dash B. A dash B. A 1, 2, 3. B also 1, 2, 3. So is equal. Second, A E. A 1, 2, 3. E A E I O U not equal. C D. C A B C D. D D C A B. A B C D is equal. D F. D D C A B. F A E I O U. So not equal. F A. F A E I O U. A 1, 2, 3. Not is equal. D E. D D C A B. E A E I O U. D E not is equal. F B. F set of vowels in the English alphabet. A E I O U. B the first three numbers in natural numbers 1, 2, 3. There are not is equal. So next Roman 3. In which of the following state whether A is equal to B or not? Equal sets or non-equal sets are. First A B C D. B D C A B. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, they are equal sets. Next, second, 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 4, 16, 18. So they are not equal. So A not is equal to B. Third, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. X such that X is a positive even integers. X less than or equal to 10. So this is B is equal to X less than or equal to 10. So positive even integers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So A is equal to B. Next, X says that X is a multiple of 10. X says that X is A is equal to multiple of 10. 10, 20, 30, X's. So B 10, 15, 20, 25. So 15, 25 are not in A. So A not is equal to B. Next one, state reasons for the following. State reason for the following. They are not equal. How will you tell? First, 1, 2, 3, X is 10. Not is equal to X belongs to N and X less than 10. The element is above 1, below 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So both are not equal. How can you tell? 10 elements are in the second set. The reason is 10. 10 elements are not in the second set. That is reason. Second, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Not is equal to X such that X 2 N plus 1 and X belongs to N. N means natural numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 X's. N means 1, 2, 3, 4 S. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 X's. So these are even numbers, these are odd numbers. The reason is first set is even numbers. And second set is odd numbers. That is the reason. Third, 5, 15, 30, 45. 5, 15, 30, 45. Not is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 15. 15, 30, 45 X's. They are not equal. The reason is 5 is not in the second set. 5 element is not in the second set. Next, fourth, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 not is equal to X is a prime number. prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 not equal to 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. They are not equal because 9 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. So they are not equal. We will go to 5th Roman. List all the subset of the following sets. Subset. The elements are in A and in B. A is subset of B. So how many subsets PQ in B? So B PQ number of B is equal to 2. 1, 2. So the number of subsets 2 to the n, 2 square, 4 subsets. You will write 4 subsets. How? Every null set subset of every set. Null set is the subset of every set. The set is the subset of itself. Null set is the set of every set, as well as the set is the subset of itself. So null set, the set. Next to single element sets P Q. There are 4 subsets. Next to C X Y Z. Number of C is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 cube is equal to 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. So subsets. 5 is the subset of every set. Next to X, Y, Z. The set is subset of itself. Next to single digit subsets X, Y, Z, XY, YZ, ZX. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next to D is equal to A, B, C, D. Number of B is equal to 4. How many subsets? 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16 subsets. 16 subsets. So first null set. Second that set. So A, B, C, D. Third single element sets A, B, C, D. Next double element sets AB, AC, AD. Next BC, BD. Next CD. Next triple element sets ABC, BCD, CDA, DAB. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 subsets. as well as you will do same E 1 4 9 16 5 10 100,000 as well as you will do 2.3 exercise completed. You will go to 2.4 exercise.